Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiana, and if you want to see how I got this inspired Kim Kardashian makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I'm taking the E.L.F Hydrating Primer, which I am, looks like I'm maybe all out. I'm taking the E.L.F Poreless and whatever I have left over of the hydrating, and I'm putting this all over my face. Next, I'm going to be using the Beauty 360 facial oil. These are just drops, and I like this all over my face. I'm going to be taking the Colourpop No Filter foundation, and I'm taking 165 and 170, and I'm mixing these two shades. I just squirted this all over my top and my finger. It's not a Kiana Beauty video unless I'm spilling something. Wow. I hope that comes out in the wash. What would KKW say? Just mixing the two on my Real Technique Splendor. I can't even talk today, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. I really like this sponge because it's super soft and it's a fraction of the price of the actual beauty blender. I get a pack of 4 and they come out to like $4 each, I think. I know Kim Kardashian takes really good care of her skin and it always looks really flawless. I feel like her routine is very like minimalistic, because even when she does, especially when she does her own makeup, she doesn't really put on a ton of different makeup and products. I'm adding a little bit more because I do have kind of discoloration, especially on this side. Oh, beauties, I wanted to film maybe like a cook with me type of video. I make a mean spaghetti, like it's the spicy spaghetti and it's veggies only, no meat. And I kind of want to film it for you guys, but that's only if you want to see that. I want to do content. I really can't talk today. I want to do content that I know you guys are gonna like. So let me know if you want to see that video. I can record it this week and have it up for you guys. Now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm gonna let the concealer under my eyes sit there for a little while. Kim always has these super bright under eyes, so I really want to achieve that look. I may do a lighter concealer. I'm going in with the Colourpop Deep Tan 55, and I'm just adding a little bit since Kim does have brighter under eyes. Put a little on the stash. Just blend that out. There's nothing to really see here. I'm using Colourpop brow gel and a spoolie to comb through my brows. Okay, now I'm taking this shade here, just putting it all over my lid. You will see that I'm using 3 different brushes, one to put the brown shade on, a definer brush, and a brush to blend it out. This is the same brown shade, it just looks different depending on the brush I'm using. Okay, now I'm picking up this shade in the same palette. It's kind of like a grayish purple. Put it all over the lid. And I'm going back in with that dark brown shade to blend. Now I'm going in with a clean brush to blend everything in. Kim always has a smoked out liner, so I'm taking the LA colors and I'm in a tight line. Starting to water. Okay. You want it to be messy because we're just gonna smudge it out and set it later. And then I'm gonna do the top lash. This eye is watering really bad. It's okay, don't cry. I'm gonna use my Colourpop No Filter Banana Powder because we're about to go in with dark shadows. I don't want my under eyes to look like a raccoon. Or do I? I'm just setting the forehead just a little bit. And down the nose and around the nose. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in F15. I'm gonna put this on my beauty blender. I don't want this to get out of hand. This is really pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So you basically do a 3. Man, after this contour, I may look like him. Taking this matte black shadow in the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to use this to set my liner. Smudge it out. And now my top lash. I'm going a little further out and making it tell. I'm gonna wipe away that powder. And we're gonna put on L'Oreal Telescopic mascara before the lashes. Just a light coat. I'm using Cocoa Lashes Diva. Okay, now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Madame Poreless and 334, and I'm just putting this under my eyes. And a little on the forehead, on the nose, basically where I get oily the most. And then clean up this contour a little bit. Going back into the Makeup Revolution and lining my lips. Oh, this is making them look bigger. Okay. And now I'm going in with Wet n Wild Secret Muse. She kind of took over my top lip. It's not even showing up. I mean, she does like a nude, so. Let's see. Okay, I like it. It's cute. Okay, this is the final look. I really like it. The eyes definitely remind me of Kim Kardashian, so I like how it turned out. It's really cat eye like and really simple and fun. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye beauties.